Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a piece of good news that you heard about someone you know well. You should say what it was, when you heard it, how you knew it. Explain how you felt about it. One positive update I learned about someone I know well was that my dearest friend was hired by a reputable international corporation. I had watched him struggle for months, getting ready for interviews and getting turned down several times, so it was a moment of great pride and happiness for me. About 6 months ago, shortly after he finished his master's degree, I learned of this. He had been submitting applications to several businesses in the hopes of landing a job that fit his interests and qualifications. He called me excitedly one evening to tell me of this news. When he announced that he had been chosen for a job at a renowned IT company, his voice was beaming. He told me that although the interview process had been difficult, he was able to convince the recruiters with his technical expertise and ability to solve problems. Since this was his dream job and he had put in a lot of effort to get it, I could sense the relaxation and excitement in his voice. Many of our mutual acquaintances congratulated him on his announcement, which I later saw on social media. I was ecstatic and proud to hear this news. I was aware of the amount of work he had done to accomplish this objective, so it was very motivating to watch his efforts pay off. Knowing that perseverance and commitment usually result in success gave me hope and inspired me to keep pursuing my own objectives. I congratulated him right away and even organized a little party to celebrate. I was truly thrilled to see my friend reach such a significant life milestone, and this experience served as a reminder to me of the value of tenacity and self-belief. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.